Hi guys. How many of you are faced with problems literally every single day? Whether it is in your life, your career, your business, your relationships. Now, all these things are riddled with problems. In fact, most of us are actually paid to problem solve, no matter which industry you're in. For example, in HR, you're supposed to problem solve for your employees. In IT, you're supposed to problem solve for your organizations in IT infrastructure, and in sales, you're supposed to problem solve for your customers. So basically, most of us, if not all, require this essential skill called problem solving. In fact, in Forbes, it was stated in an article that problem solving, along with creativity and collaboration, are the top 3 skill sets in the 21st century. That is why today, I'm here to share with you a recipe of this skill, a skill that I'm excited to share about, which will give you the action steps to crush all problems easily. So here's one thing. This thing will help you to crush all your problems with ultimate formula. It's called design thinking. It's all written in this book, and I'm giving this away for free so that you can just have to pay for the shipping, and that is all. As simple as that. Click on this link and get it now.